Bang trok nomination alo kang krung kang sai. NPP a nomination alo kang than. MP kilik along ongdung awot kilong jiapan CM pen vote kerek amai kapadupon. Bukazin police station ke parlo angkang inut abang puapan bike ke patong. Kardom, Karbi prime time long pen nilibirta than bang sa regionality movie nan bidang ton pen arju iktha. Karbi anglong Deputy Commissioner Saihem along kido conference hall along theripo inkoira troxy ani bang trok nomination alo inkrung ing saipon. Kangkrung kang sayame returning saipu mate Deputy Commissioner Mukur Kumar Saikia pensi pado lapen kichok an amen ka chathap alo dengpon lo.
Kithom Difo Autonomous District STMP kilikalong kachadan jiaphan kadokawe men kachathap mate nomination alo Kijok Bangchok. Election Commission of India teng there ponify inkora troxiani returning asai phupen men kachathap alo kichok ching saidam men kachathap alo along kinangsot alo ki krong dun dedet ajok mati kichok limle ajok NPP pen men kachathap a nomination alo ki dengun lab returning asai phupen David Rong Pia Phan Pachini nomination alo kijok Kichok lima bang phua tum lage Congress pen Duren Singh ti BJP pen Horen Singh be APHLC pen Joning ti Kathar NPP pen Lian Khochon si thaula pen ASTC pen Holiram terang henlo
West Karbi Anglong District Dongkamukam Rongsupi Tower Kokpli Kechitok along There Niphai Inkoira Troxy ani Arnitili Isira Minute Thom Kebra Pho Apor pen Kiwangji MP Kilik along BJP pen Kachitoidun Horen Singh be aphan Ongdung a vote pen ke Pahai ji aphan Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang pen vote kerek amai kapadopon abeta pherangke Kelvin Terang pen birta nang pale
MP Kiligalong BJP pen kachitoidun Horen Singh be aphan vote ke hang pi amai along Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang Dongkamukam Town Committee Chairman Telisram Ronghang Vice Chairman Ren Singh Timong Ward Commissioner Serlong Ki be Jitu Terang Ronghang Lem sa Chairman Mongol be pen Chenglok Ongdung BJP asong along asongja polapen asongja pia tum chetongdun Mayalong non ke bang ji jangmia ji klori phai trainer cap arni MP Kiligalong BJP pen kachitoidun abang phua phan iritum ning si pet dosi Ongdung a vote pen ke pahai ji phan claim dam nang po lapen bangsu MP Kiligalong kachitoidun abang phua phan jong se vote pi pen pahai lo pulote am se Karbi Anglong pharman kaching thur asai pen danglok ason asai sitami claim pon thek puputa Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM pen mailong lamthe kijai pon pado
Posil tu Horen Singh be phan ke pahai nai kok gima lagi dal tum da chini klo ile to ba childing kui pen ka chesong Bharat ka jariya rolong ke topda ningkan thongkera ke thomlo hemprek hala so autonomous state hemprek prapjin pen ka pelong ya pha parliament along ile tumla so Bharat aron long kachari ke topda Indian constitution lo ke topda article 244A prapjin pen ka pichun jia phan holada parliament thengdo kapening je dul jia phan la so pen jena tum ongdung a vote pen tum pehai nai palam thekila hino
Guwahati Rongsupi along Kidamtang There Niphai Inkoira Trokani Tomon Arve Kit Hepen Karbi Student Boys Hostel Ahem Arpong Kangrai Wangajok Barpi Barso Kito Ahem Alangpong Taklotun Wanglo Barpi Barso Angnim Adungaray Anta Kitok Lungajok Rat Atumpen Hostel along Kido Riso Atumaphan Pinangan Alam Parjunang Rintilo Sai Jogje Hostel Kido Atuman Tangka Chirungsi Barpi Barso Kido Ahem Alangpong nam dampen methanga tum amatsi kachisilampon abita katnews along bita nang pale
Tomon arwe asab bak ke thepen arpong kangrai poloti chikli ke wang hutason ke koson manji thangda che puthek the pin lopasi hostel ke doa tumpen nengje north east angkang ke chikli piang kang busi che than rinti jong se aju me ke changa por hutason chikli ke wang poloti hostel ar lopen ka thek the tam thek the siman po Guwahati rong spia long ke do Karbi students boys hostel atum an ke phere me saidelo Arnika hino pholong mat chikli ke bang poloti ili Karbi students atumsi phobinan wetpo lasi Karbi students boys hostel hin pen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council phanuan pen hostel kaslam ponthu jia phan kachuning ripadu lapen prabjin pen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council hin pen adimalong kahumri dam jia phan towar chulang rinti pusi Guwahati Rongsupia long kedo Karbi students boys hostel atum pen ningje GG KSMI parim Thorom Singh Ronghang pen nangki do birta
non malom so porphan birta mung ton pon iksina
Nilingkan kray silo vote ke joktang nilikai ta mathada
Nili ki piawot lakha pondoma kalite nili ke berate machine along klang pameloma
nilikai ta mathada ke joka tengpen ke patini avar sai doma
Ningke hanga bang phophat ke joka vote lo dam lo puang thai doma Ningke hanga party aphan
kachiki klong isia kimia dichi vote ke jok ang the kot pen ke patini un adichi vivipet henlo nilining dorik ason an thir thipen kangsai un adichi lake isi salajong pen karjab adichi lo lapen EVM along cherap lok ahor mulo EVM lapen vivipet pen nang liko son si vote jok po kengkam isi polling booth ar lokilut vote ke jok ahem ar lokilut dampen presiding officer si ballot unit pekarpo kengkam hini vote jok milo ballot unit along akilir abatan along ning ke hanga bang phuamen mate ang thek pen pachiton ra ber ignon kengkam ke thom ake era tur klang loma ning ke hanga bang phuamen adung ake era tur klang po kengkam pli kangchap alu klang loma vivipet along ke klang kangchap alu aphai lang ignoi haladak nang li ning ke hanga bang phuamen mate ang thek klang loma labang su kangchap alu achet second troxy an siklang chonji laso apilo te amina chi thui pen che beng pet si siang deng along che thap dam thot po vivipet ke isi aki mi che thang klong adi chilo nili inut det pia mekar lapen nili che chini komata phansi vote ke jok vek ma lapen nili theklong lo ko pima ning ke the klardak chengbar kri ke jok vek avot ning ke hang abang phua phan lelu pu ke patini pen ning che pang samjin na phan lo lasi vote ke jok a hemar lo pen bar be aprang e phong vivipet along patini te kang tha laki ke mesen alam lo jongsi electoral voter list along nang limem thap thelan puluti lapen nang li jongsi arkoi niphai isi inkoira sirkep an nang li arta ningkan khrenar kep choklu puluti polling station abial o aphan nang limen che thap dun pen democratic araida te non ke nang leji lok sabha election inkoira sirkep aput vote jokdun ignon
Second All Karbi Anglong Volleyball Championship 2019 starting from 27th to 29th of March at Diffu Club, Karbi Anglong. Organized by Karbi Youth Organization. Come and own the title. Champion trophy with prize money 20,000, runners-up trophy with prize money 10,000, best player trophy with prize money 3,000. Register now. For more information, please contact at the number given on screen.
Dona pirbi keman karjonga ka Kopia kopai pirthe ke ba long lela ne seng he kang sa matha dam lote ne kayala oni ache the na an si chelo jine
Turkimi Academy Diffu, affiliated to CBSE, New Delhi. Admissions open for Montessori, LKG, UKG, class 1 to 9 for the session 2019 and 20. Facilities like boys and girls hostel, crash babysitter, art class on Saturday and Sunday. Registration forms are available at school office on all working days from first week of December 2018 from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. Turkimi Academy Diffu, Rukasan Amlapati, Diffu 782460. For more queries, please contact at the number given on screen. Free admissions for Montessori students, sponsored by Aturgini Society.
I've been a voter for the last 11 years. I've always wondered,
if my vote counts or if the machine has recorded what I've pressed.
I've always thought, what if there's a verification system
which provides proof that I've voted for the candidate
and the party of my choice?
Introducing a system that can assure you. The Voter Verifiable Paper Audit Trail or VVPAT is one answer to all my questions. This is one independent system attached to the electronic voting machines that allows the electors to verify that their votes are cast as intended. How to cast your vote using the EVM and VVPAT. Step 1. Enter the booth. The presiding officer will enable the ballot unit while you enter the voting compartment. Watch out for the green light on the EVM indicating the machine is ready. Step 2. Cast your vote. Press the blue button on the ballot unit against the name or symbol of the candidate of your choice. Step 3. See the red light. The red light against the name or symbol of the candidate chosen will glow. Step 4. See the print. Look for the transparent window of the VVPAT. Look for the printed paper slip showing the serial number, the name and the symbol of the candidate of your choice. The slip remains exposed for 7 seconds, then it gets cut and falls in the drop box of the VVPAT. VVPAT, the revolution in the electoral world. As a citizen of this country, I know what and who I voted. I experience trust, transparency and fairness. It's about verification and voters' satisfaction. Do not leave the polling station without looking at the VVPAT. This is a good thing.
If your name is not in the electoral roll and you have completed 18 years of age as on 1st January 2019, then contact the BLO of your polling station to enroll your name and establish your democratic right to vote in ensuing Lok Sabha election 2019.
Ini siksa kelabon nila so cupen cerap leka cerap.
Pipot lo nangina chusir ham tamle ingisu.
Ini siksa kelabon nila so cupen cerap leka cerap cing sok taun elo.
Nang cucut bu. Cepaking dan lo mati.
Tangkalam lo ti oi cepakeng cita.
Madhari, lo nalok Karbi beauty parlor long discount pi bom ke.
Kalang ma, konat lo lake.
Di foi ti arlo Iron Bridge adung rong supia long keceng si sopinso la pensor lo tu kapamada dim lo.
Kalang ma.
Kalang lo, kecengsi sopinso la pensor lo phat kapamada dim. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor. Nang litum lada, hair straightening 40% off along, hair spa ake joy pen long ponikti. Facial 50% off, haircut 50% off, pedicure and manicure 50% off, hair color 25% off, hair curls 30% off, hair smoothing 40% off. Hey hui long ponikti. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor near Central Bank ATM, Iron Bridge, Rongparpi, Rongbe Road.
Claret Beauty Parlor.
Lasinang itong kapadar ipin ang humrig no.
Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason sa lampon tanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecuason la penthesri alang hiti gulat along longpon ikji. Kang tirtang kijun alang Karbi alang Theso alang kecho ajam tu tharmit aduk Thelua kreng Chitronola ukthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ingji
Dihina mo pibudhat birtalong wangchiklo. Number 15 Mahamaya constituency ke parlo Uttor Borbir lapen narlong atia long theri ni phai inkoira troxiani ada porphai kepra minute thom kep apor malom ke damtang theri ni phai inkoira trokani arnikang sam apor malom tomon arve ke thiajok ongdung ahem arit ke na hokdun abirta kat news sa hemalong birta nang pale
Uttor Borbir lapen narlong atia hawaralong Tomon arwe ki the parpi gajok ongdung hemrit lapen biri bithum kana hokdun dolo Tomon arwe ki the pen hemrit kana hokdun abirta local MEC mate Karbi Anglong Tunamas Council em Lunsing Teron birta kelong pen kahri dampado lapen hemrit biri bithum kana hokajok kedo ki thaga phan kisum ki phorar tu phan ning pathetikang
Bukajan police station ki parlo angkang theri ni pha inkoira troxiani ani tilihinia por malom sukhanjan wo phong terangarong amekar babutiso alangli CCI amethanga sai mate a duty ju det pen hem ke chedam bom towar ke hat ahut ihum ke pacha hectic a bike ke patong pon fit abita pherang ki anon terang pen kat news sa hemalong bita nang pale
Adungorai ke duara tum thegdun longsi tongsi kot pen bukojan CHC along kiso paklang damlo sita ke sohir kang tang raga jok aphidima purnikos hospital along an chepon thulo lapen halapu ki patong abangta areng hu keso phonanglo ke patong abai ka number le KS09F1481 pusipang theklo non birta ke to apor hut an ke babu diso munit chingki un muchat lopota birta ripdun long
Karbi prime time mang kela pon sikang ton pon iklo dume thakme kurang thu